Abarikujinanwa hariho Okelo Ogen Swale hamwe na OTM Christopher bombi abaturage b'ekyaro ekya Demahanga pale abaribarirwanwa b'ebyaro bishatu ebirikugambwaho. Abaturage nibashobora ngo mwaka gw'2013 ababombiri bakaba bari omumihondano y'ebyamataka ekyahwerereire omukoti bwanyuma hakabahindagano yo kwikirizana eyakozirwe ahagati y'ababombiri konkati abantu babutosha nibashobora ngo nibatangara okureba abantu ababere batakarebwahoga omukoti yona barikutunga orusa rwa koti urwo kubinga abantu aha Eitaka. Kopro John Bosco Komakechi omuturage w'ekyaro ekya Pale nashobora ngu atwiraho kumara emyaka 4 ati natangara okureba abantu babiri nebeija nibashobora ngu Eitaka neryabo kandi bo batakagirahoga obutabanguko bw'ebyitaka nababiraba.
Community of about 3 villages: Pale village, Demahanga village, Teyago village. In a matter the community do not understand because the community has never been involved in a court issue with any of these persons threatening to evict them.
Komakechi nashobora ngu natangara eky'abantu babutosha okubingwa Eitaka kandi obwo tebakabaga omukoti yona barikuhoze manja ez'ebyamataka.
The community concern is how do you come with a court order evicting members of a different village, members who are not party to your case? They have never in any way even been your agents. You are not the one who brought them in to be your neighbors.
Bravia Okum nawe nashobora ngu nahurechko bachumuhira hamutwe okureba abantu babiri nibarugayo kushobora ngu Eitaka erushitamu ebyaro bishatu neryabo obwo hariho abantu abarukuhingura 12 abakorire emirimo y'enkurakurana Eitaka eryo abarukushobora ngu tibeine naho kuza.
Bayinvestingire bayombekera amaka aganyakole permanent mukichweka wobo kandi bayizire mukichweka hoko mulingo gwikire ite nituhunira muno kabantu ngo ege wongo kanyowe mu Demahanga abantu abo nibayenda tujianka.
Kasamba Godfrey okuruga omukyaro ekya Tayego nashobora ngu endagano yo kwikirizana ekiri hagati ya Swale hamwe na Christopher ngwati natangaro kureba ekiragiro kya koti kirukubinga abantu abebyaro bishatu.
The court judgment was only between 2 people, OTM Christopher and Ogen Swale. But me, I was even wondering why. I was afraid to hear that the eviction is again taking place on those ones who were not even there.
Emmanuel Oliemba omuturage w'ekyaro ekya Demahanga nashobora ngu batwire bateine mushango gwona omukoti n'obukwakubo kuhababirwa ningo kuhababira omuntu wena munabwe ekyo nibatangara okureba ekiragiro kya koti ekirukubabinga Eitaka rukushobora ngu ekiragiro kyakubasa kuba kyirwe abantu abatarubo.
How come that Demahanga became Pale and yet in that court order given to us is showing that that land is in Pale? But the court order was again given to wrong people, to us who are in Demahanga, Ala Rutinga, and Teyago.
James Okumu nashobora ngu batwiraho n'abanyabuzare babo naho bazikire n'abeshenkurubo ahitakere rukurwanirwa ngubona hati tebeine gwokutora ahabwo kuba obwonu bw'obutaka bw'abeshenkurubo.
Nilikomea hapa lakini wazazi wangu wote wamefariki hapa. Nimezika hapa. Lakini neno naumiza roho yangu ukuja kuona mtu mmoja ukija kufukuza watu village kama 3.
Tuwagambaho na Okelo Ogeni Swale yashobora ngu Eitaka neryabo we na mutahiwe ngo n'abantu abaruruho baruruho mbuhenda biragiro abo batarukumanya no kubamanya.
Mingi watu karibu 60 wanaweka jela watu 180 si hapana jua hao. Hao wanasitaka maneno ya uongo. Hiyo sharia hao ndio najua. Kuna na dongo huko. Watu hizo yote kuna na dongo. Hiyo dongo yetu.
Jonathan akweteireho aldepte RDC wa Kiryadongo yashobora ngu enshongeji n'amazima ibere yashyira mu ofisi ye kandi yashobora ngu ekiragiro kya koti n'ekyo kwigura ensharosharo z'Eitaka eryo kutari yo kubinga abantu.
It came into and there was a court order to go on ground and open boundaries We went in there with the entire security team of the district. We did the sensitization as should be. And the next time, police went there with the surveyors, and there were challenges about the extension of the land. There was a contentious issue saying that the order said something different, but these were going beyond the boundaries.
Gasha kwa Innocent atuganyira habwata ya West.